In today's video, I'll show you how to limit post revisions in WordPress. While revisions are helpful for restoring older versions of your content, too many of them can clutter your database and slow down your website. Limiting revisions is an easy way to improve performance and keep your site running smoothly. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type in a revision management plugin, such as WP Revisions Control or a similar revision manager plugin. Once the results appear, choose a plugin with good ratings and regular updates. This helps ensure reliability and compatibility with your WordPress version. Click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. With the plugin activated, head to its settings page. Depending on the plugin, you may find these settings under the main settings menu or within a dedicated plugin section. Inside the settings, look for options that allow you to control how many revisions WordPress saves for posts and pages. Here you can set a specific number of revisions to keep. This lets you retain enough backups for safety while preventing unnecessary database bloat. After choosing your preferred limit, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply the settings. That's it. From now on, WordPress will only store the number of revisions you've defined, helping keep your database cleaner and your site faster. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.